Ibang klase si Andre Ugadan na pa-take over sa dulo ng laban. Sinagasa at kinalabaw pa ang depensa ng kalabang lungsod ng Kawayan. Lamang sa haba etong batang ito, hindi umubra ang kalaban. Tuwang-tuwa pa sa naging laban ang San Beda Red Cubs. Yun nga lang na foul trouble din sa dulo mga idol. Semifinals Game 1 sa Isabela Tri-City Intertown. Bayan ng Tumawini versus lungsod ng Kawayan. Best of 3 tayo mga idol.
Pull up tree. Kaboom! To Andre Ugadan, spots up three. Ibinigay Paleo, stops. Cortez inside. Number 8 to Alam. Alam now, 5 seconds shot clock. Easy. Andre, side kick to Alangan for three. Kaboom! Lagarico. Spots up. Inside, Ugadan. Spots up three. Kaboom! Ugadan. Pull up three. Rebound. Kick there to Agustin for three. Rebound. Put up. A minute to go. Shell now. Drive. Sebastian. Gardiel. Pull up three. And the basket. The first favor. Shell. Pull up three. And put back. Play Lopez again. Jumps. Gardiel. Caravella. Perimeter. What? Bombs. Too strong. Put back there. Another Andre. Put back. Looking out. Pascua. Using your body. On Andre Ugadan. For 10. To Chell. Chell now. Reverse. Now Chell. Inbounding. Here comes now on the play. And the basket again there. Spin. Jumper. Too strong. Put back. Barreling on the rebound. Sana naman nakakuha. Strip back three. Kaboom! Shell. Ugadan. Wide open three. Too strong. Lopez. Spots up three again. Kaboom! Back to back. Posting up. Akbayani. Inside there by first. Oh, again, we'll take the second shot. Still a technical free throw. Bound, nakuha pa rin. Swing. Lopez, wide open three. Kaboom! Pagkakataon na naman ng team ng Kawayan. Pull up three. Kaboom! Rebound there by Andre. Lopez now at three. Last play shot. Shell. Tagging up. Nice play there by Gravela. Ito na naman libre. Ugadan. Spots. Too strong. Rebound. Shell now on the drive. Nakita sa Reyes sa ilalim. To Bayani. Too strong. Put back. At Bayani. Of the team Tumawini. Pull up three. Kaboom! Manchester three.
Papas naging laban ang San
Getting
Beda
to
Cubs.
press by the foul. And fourth personal now on Andre Ugadan. Iko. Jaridel. Nanda ng play. Lumabas. Putback lang on number 9. Pull up three. Palejo. Kaboom! Kick down. Number 8. Block there. On the play. Kanila. 3-on-3. Cortez on the drive. Cortez and the basket. And there by Cortez. Short. Rebound. Lagarico bangs the glass. Now is in the court with fourth personal play. Here comes Lagarico. Pull up jumping. Inside fakes. Hindi pumasok ang kanyang and on the lead, Andre now. Stops and pops. Inside Ugadan. Going now. Jumper again on Andre Ugadan. And Here Andre now stops and pops again. Ugadan. Points there. Rob going put back there. Goings inside his step move. Thereby fakes. Shove. Step by going inside. Cortes again. And powering also in Ugadan. Kick. Libre sa tres. Kaboom! Launches the three. Kaboom! Out gold! What a play!